Day 9, the prompt is inspiration. Now, this book right here is called The Sun is Also a Star by Nicola Yoon, and I really liked the background. And you can use whatever markers or pens that you have. I had these line painters from Derwent, and I've had them forever, so I thought it was high time to dust them off and use them. So I took my ruler and I made sure that I found the center of my layout. So I measured in 6" from all sides and made sure that I knew where my center was so that I could do my ovals and always end up in the middle. Now you're going to see the inside, the center of this is going to get super messy, but I know I'm putting my photos right in the middle, so it's going to cover that. Now I bring in my photo, kind of see how it looks, and then I take the different colors and make some more ovals. Now I decided to choose 3 colors. I chose 3 colors that was within my page kit, which was pink, purple, and orange. Now where these were like paint pens, I made sure to dry the whole thing out before I started my layout. So I'm going to mat my photo on some purple cardstock, and then I'm going to get this layout done. I'm going to take this polka dot paper, I'm going to cut it down to 6 by 6. I'm going to mat it onto some pink cardstock, and then once I start looking at that polka dot paper, the polka dots are outlined in black and they're not colored, and I thought, this will be really great to use my paint pens that I use to make the background and add some color to some of the polka dots. I didn't paint all the polka dots. So same thing, I'm just going to paint a few polka dots, and then I'm going to take my heat tool and I'm going to dry it up. Now once I did this layout, guess what toy from the past that it really made me think of? And then I had to go on Amazon and see if I could get my hands on this toy, Spirograph. I remember as a kid playing with Spirograph. I remember buying it for my kids and how much they played for it, and I had to go and get myself a Spirograph, and it came in the mail, and I'm going to be using that on my layouts because I did find it a little nerve-wracking, if you want to say, to do those lines. I was afraid to mess up, and then I was like, you know what? It's a 30-cent paper, white cardstock. It's not a big deal. Just go with it, see how you like it, and then even if you have to redo it, it's not a big deal, but at least you had fun making the Spirograph looking background. I can't tell you how many times that I look at something, and because I'm looking at it with, okay, I got to find inspiration for a layout, how differently I look at everything that's around me. Especially my books. I do find a lot of inspiration from all the books that I have, whether it's the spine of the book or the book cover itself, like in this case. Or if you're on Instagram, Pinterest, look at something and, it can be a configuration, maybe a layout of an advertisement that you like, or the advertisement itself, if it has, a stamped background, the way that it's stamped, you can use that and transfer it to a layout. I also like scribbling on my layout, and normally when I do the scribbling technique, I usually do just one big circle, or for one of the classes I had done 3 spots, 1 medium-sized circle and 2 smaller circles, and then I kind of put my photos inside of that. But I really like this one here where it really reminded me of the Spirograph, and I think I matched it pretty good to how the cover of the book was. Theirs was a little bit more pointy, but I wanted it more like oval. One, it was a whole lot easier for me to create that, and I found that I like the movement that it gives on the layout a whole lot more. So this was a picture of Mason going down a bouncy castle slide, and I just put the word over and over again, again, because that's pretty much what he kept saying. He just had so much fun. So here are some close-ups, and tomorrow a grid layout. So we'll see you there.